All right, and it is 6th hour currently. Okay, so a system of inequalities is a collection of two or more inequalities solutions are points where both inequalities are true. Solutions are in the double shaded area. Where's your pass? Your pass. You threw it away.
Or maybe I dropped it on the ground.
Okay, we're starting new notes. All right. So I know earlier you said we use a dashed line for greater than or less than. Which one do we shade below? Less than. And which one do we shade above? And we use a solid line for greater than or equal to and less than and equal to. When do we shade below? Less than or equal to. And when do we shade above? Greater than or equal to. Okay, remind me, when we do not have a number in front of our x for our slope, what is our slope? 1 over 1. And when we don't have a number to the right of our x for our y-intercept, what is our y-intercept? 0. With line 1, are we going to do a dashed or a solid line?
Dash.
And are we going to shade above or below? With line 2, are we going to have a dashed or a solid line?
Solid.
And are we going to shade above or below?
Above.
Above. All right. Let's start by graphing line number 1. Where's my y-intercept?
0.
0. Or what's that called? Origin. And what is my slope? 1 over 1, my favorite slope. So I'm going to go up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, all the way to the edges of my graph. And then I got to fill in the bottom left. So I'm going to go down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, all the way to the other edge of my graph. And what kind of line did we say this needed to be? Dashed. I know it doesn't super look like it, but I swear that's dashed. And where are we shading? Below. That's gonna make it kind of hard for me to see. Oh well, that was a bad decision, but we live and we learn. Okay. Let's graph our second line. Where is my y-intercept for my second line? 6. And what is my slope?
Negative 2 over 1.
-2 over 1. So I'm going to go down 2 to the right 1. Down 2 to the right 1. I colored in my graph so I can't really see my dots. Hey, maybe next time let's graph both lines and then shade. That's probably a good plan. And is this a dashed or a solid line? Solid. And are we shading above or below? Above. I would suggest shading in 2 separate directions. What? Shade in 2 separate directions so that you can very clearly see the parts that are shaded for both lines and the parts that are not shaded for both lines. Maybe we shouldn't use a pen. Okay. So earlier, where did we say the solutions are? What specifically about the shaded area? The double shaded area. So, is this a double shaded area? No. Is this a double shaded area? Is this a double shaded area? Yeah. All right. Can somebody give me an ordered pair that falls in the shaded area? 5, 2. So we're going to go to the right 5 and up 2. That looks like a solution in the double shaded area to me. Max?
6, 5.
6, 5. We're going to go to the right 6 and up 5. That looks like a solution in the double shaded area to me. Yeah. 4, 1. We're going to go to the right 4 and up 1. And that looks like a solution in the double shaded area to me. All right. Now, I would like an ordered pair of a non-solution. Yep. We're going to go to the right 4 and go down. No, we're not going to go down. We're going to go up 1. That does not look like a solution to me. Yeah. -2, 2. So it's not, we don't want to say over because that's a slope, right? We want to say an ordered pair. So we're just going to say -2, 2. Okay? So we're going to go to the left 2. We're going to go up 2. That does not look like a solution to me. Can somebody give me an ordered pair of one that is a solution to one of the lines but not in the double shaded area? Yeah.
2, -4.
2, -4. We're going to go to the right 2 and down 2, 3, 4. Does that look like a solution in the double shaded area? I'm glad that you didn't. That sucks. All right. Last one. We're kind of flying through this, you guys. It's crazy. 19. Okay. I don't think so. All right. Are we going to have a dashed line or a solid line? Dashed. And where am I shading? My gosh. Above. Listening to that all day, every day, I'm afraid that I'm going to hear somebody break.
Can I go see if they're alright?
No, you cannot go see if they're all right. Okay, for line 2, are we going to have dashed or solid? Solid. Are we shading above or below? Below. All right, we're going to learn from our mistakes from last time. And we're going to graph both lines, and then we're going to color in, we're going to shade our solution area so that I can still see where my lines need to go. All right, what is my y-intercept for line number 1? 4. I'm going to find 4 on my y-axis. Put it up. William, scoot your chair back. No, scoot back. You can't see it. There's a wall. You can see a wall.
I was getting
No. And what is my slope?
Wait, 2/1.
2 over 1. So I'm going to go up 2 into the right 1. And I'm out of space. So I'm going to go fill in the bottom half of the graph. So I'm going to go down 2 and to the left 1. Down 2 to the left 1. Down 2, left 1. All the way down. And is my line dashed or solid? Dashed. That's not a great line. Let's try again. Close enough. All right. What is my y-intercept for my second line? -4. So we're going to find -4 on the y-axis. Put a dot. And what is my slope? What? -1 over 3. So I'm going to go down 1 to the right 3. Down 1 to the right 3. And then I got to fill in the rest of my graph. So I'm going to go up 1 to the left 3. Up 1 to the left 3. Am I going to have a dashed line or a solid line? Solid. That's a really bad line again. All right. For my dashed line, am I shading above or below? Above. And for my solid line, am I shading above or below? Below. Alrighty. If I pick an ordered pair, let's say right here, is that going to be a solution?
No.
If I pick an ordered pair right here, is that going to be a solution? What about over here? No, very no. What about right here? Yep. All right. Somebody, please give me the ordered pair for a solution. -5, -4. We're going to go to the left 5 and down 4. And that looks like a solution to me. Okay? Don't say, don't. This is a brain rot free classroom.
I'm just saying.
What is it?
It's -6.
-6, -7. We're gonna go left 6, down 7. I suppose that looks like a solution. All right, one more solution, please. -6, -6. We are gonna go to the left 6 and down 6, and that looks like a solution to me. All right. Can I have a non-solution ordered pair? Yes, Emma. Raise your hand up. No, my bad. Yes, Miss O.
0,
0,
0.
0.
If it's easy and it's there, you might as well use it.
Is that in my double shaded area?
No.
No. Oren.
Over 6, up 7.
So we're gonna go to the right 6 and up 7. You guys are ornery. Is that in my shaded area? No. All right, one more. Can I have one that's maybe a solution to one line but not a solution to both?
5, 5.
Yes, Emma.
-1,
We're gonna go -1 and up 3. Hey, that looks like a solution to one of those lines, but is it in the double shaded area?
Yes. No.
No.
Yes.
No. So -1, 3 is not a solution.
Oh yeah.
All right, go ahead and glue that into your notebooks. I feel like it's gotten hotter in here.
Yes.
It's been hot.
I know, but I feel like it got even hotter. Oh, maybe I should stop recording.